In this video, I will show you how to add or subtract time in Google Sheets without using functions. First, open your spreadsheet in Google Sheets and make sure your time values are properly formatted. For example, you might have a start time like 8 o'clock in cell A2 and another time in cell B2. To add time, click on an empty cell where you want the result to appear. Then type an equals sign, click on the first time cell, add a plus sign, and then click on the second time cell. So it will look like equals A2 plus B2. Press Enter and Google Sheets will automatically calculate the total time. To subtract time, the process is very similar. Click on a new cell, type equals, select the later time, then type a minus sign and select the earlier time. For example, equals B2 minus A2. Press Enter and you'll get the time difference between the two values. If your result shows as a number or doesn't look like time, simply change the format. Select the results cell, go to the top menu, click Format, then Number, and choose Time or Duration. This ensures your result displays correctly in hours and minutes. The key thing to remember is that Google Sheets treats time like numbers behind the scenes, so you can use basic math like addition and subtraction without needing any special functions. This method is quick, simple, and perfect for tracking hours, schedules, or time differences. So that's how to add or subtract time in Google Sheets without using functions. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.